Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay for videos on Facebook. Before we get started, make sure to check out the latest offer just below this video. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app. Once you're in, head over to your settings. To do that, click on the three-line menu icon located at the top right of your screen. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Now, click on Settings. In this menu, scroll down a bit more until you come across the Preferences section. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Media. Go ahead and tap on it. Under the Media section, you'll see various options related to video playback. Since we're focusing on auto-playing videos, look for the setting that says Never Autoplay Videos. What you need to do is turn off this option by toggling it off. Once you disable this setting, it will enable autoplay for videos on your Facebook account. And that's all there is to it. Now you'll have videos playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe using the link in the description. See you in the next video.